Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to upgrade your computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11 regardless of whether it meets the official requirements, such as TPM 2.0 support, or not. Here is the process for upgrading your computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11. First, I check my system. I am running Windows 10 Pro, version 1909. Next, I check if the machine supports TPM 2.0 security. By going to Update and Security, selecting Windows Security, and then clicking Open Windows Security. Here, I select Device Security. In this instance, the system indicates that TPM 2.0 is not supported. Now, here is how to proceed with the Windows 11 upgrade. Open your web browser, type download Windows 11, and press enter to search. Among the results, select the official Microsoft Download Windows 11 page. On the download page, scroll down to the selection box, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices, and click Confirm. When prompted for the language, select English, United States, and click Confirm again. Finally, click the 64-bit download button to download the Windows 11 ISO file to your computer. The download speed depends on your internet connection. For me, it takes about 12 minutes. I will fast forward through this part. Once the download is complete, the file will appear in your computer's Downloads folder. Select the file, right-click, and choose Cut. To move it to a different drive, I am moving it to the E drive. Open the E drive, right-click, and select Paste to transfer the Windows 11 ISO file there. After moving the file, click on the ISO file to open it, or select Mount. Once opened, you will see several files. Locate and select the setup file. Hold down the Shift key while right-clicking on the file. Then select the Copy as Path option from the menu that appears. Next, type CMD into the Windows search bar. When the command prompt appears, select Run as Administrator and click Yes on the confirmation prompt. In the command prompt window, right-click to paste the installation path you copied earlier. Then, press the spacebar, type /product server, and press Enter. If no error appears, the installation process will begin. If you encounter an error like the one I did, it is likely because Windows Update is currently installing a Windows version update. Therefore, you need to address Windows Update first. Open Windows Update. If it is currently updating Windows 10, wait for the update to finish or pause it, then restart your computer. Once the update is complete or paused, repeat the steps to copy the installation path. Open the command prompt, paste the path, and add /product server as instructed above. Finally, press Enter, and the installation process will start. The Windows Server setup screen will appear, offering a choice regarding updates. You can select Change How Setup Downloads Updates to make your choice. There are two options. You can choose to download and install updates during the upgrade process, or select Not Right Now to handle updates yourself later. I prefer to let the system handle updates automatically, so I leave the default setting and click Next. The Windows terms will appear. Select Accept to continue. At this stage, there are three options. Keep personal files, installed apps, and settings. Keep only personal files, or keep nothing, a clean install. Choose the option that suits your preference. I want to keep my files and apps, so I select that option and click Next. Wait a few minutes for the system to check for updates. Once the check is complete, it will indicate that it is ready to install. Specifically, installing Windows 11 Pro while retaining files and apps. Click Install to begin. The system will proceed with the automatic installation, which takes over 30 minutes. I'll fast forward through this long process. Once the update finishes, you'll be in Windows 11. Checking the system confirms it has upgraded to Windows 11, version 25H2, and all apps and data have been preserved. If you decide you no longer want to use Windows 11 within 10 days of upgrading, you can revert to Windows 10. To do this, click the Windows icon, go to Settings, select System, then choose Recovery. Next, select the Go Back option, click Next to proceed, select No, thanks when prompted, and continue clicking Next. Finally, select Go Back to Windows 10. The system will begin reverting to Windows 10, simply wait a few minutes for the process to complete. Your apps and data will remain intact after the reversion. That concludes the guide on how to upgrade to Windows 11 on any computer with sufficient RAM, even if it does not meet the TPM 2.0 security requirement. If you encounter any issues during the process, please leave a comment, and I will answer your questions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Goodbye, and good luck.